Hi everyone, it's Marina here and I'm sharing with you my latest project. It's about a big shaker photo album 19 by 25 centimeters. I used a digital bundle kit called Hello Baby Girl by Nitwit Collections. On the first page there is a pocket with a small booklet that you can write the name of the newborn, the date you gave birth to your little princess and some photos of her. Also, there is a printable card that you can write all the important facts that happened the year your baby was born. This photo book is about baby's first year and for every page there is a number of her age. Here is another card that says special memories and you can journal as well. Of course, you can find all the links you need to download this adorable collection down below in the description area. As you can see, it has big rooms for photos. And here is an insert for extra room to stick the photos of your baby when it was 2 and 3 months. Here is another card for journaling and a sweet bib. Here is a spot where you can write a note or a date maybe. In this page I made a small gatefold that closes with an adorable owl. That flips in this way and there is a stroller down there. Another insert for 6 and 7 months. In this page I love this adorable card that says hold her a little longer, rock her a little more, tell her another story you've only read her for, let her sleep on your shoulder, rejoice in her happy smile, she's only a little girl for such a little while. There is also a pocket for extra pictures. And here is a belly band that can hold 2 or 4 photos 10 by 15 centimeters. Here you can journal and write anything you want. And on the last page I made a large envelope that can hold a lot of pictures and there are a lot of printable cards. Every card has a milestone, such as where it was the first time that stood up by myself, slept through the night, smiled, rolled over, crawled. It has also date and age as well. When I ate solid foods, and here you can write your own milestone. It has also her first steps, the first tooth, the first bath, as well as the first haircut. You can stick as you wish these cards wherever you want. Besides, every baby is different. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. See you next time. Bye!